Hello students, my next video on respiratory system in human being. In previous video we have finished up to larynx, the parts of the respiratory system we have finished up to larynx. Next in this video we will going to learn about trachea, bronchi and bronchioles, lungs. So first of all trachea. So trachea is present in the ventral side. Next it is a tube-like structure, and it is also called windpipe. So air is enters into the here. Air is enters into the inside through this tube-like structure. So that's why this is called windpipe. So here in the anterior region, here larynx is present. Already we have finished about larynx. So this is a tube-like structure. This are surrounded by or covered by the C-shaped cartilaginous rings. C-shaped cartilaginous rings. So these C-shaped cartilaginous rings are present throughout the trachea. These rings they helps to prevent collapsing of trachea. So during inspiration and expiration, so they prevent the collapsing of the trachea. So this is about C-shaped rings. Next, inner lining of the trachea is made up of or is covered with pseudo stratified columnar epithelial tissue. So inner lining of the trachea is made up of this epithelial tissue, pseudo stratified columnar epithelial tissue. Okay, so this is about trachea. Just it's a tube-like structure, also called windpipe. It's surrounded by C-shaped cartilaginous bones which are prevent the collapsing of the trachea. Next, inner lining lined by pseudo stratified columnar epithelium. Next, about bronchi and bronchioles. Next, bronchi and bronchioles. So here the trachea, whenever the trachea extend up to the thoracic chamber, it is reach up to thoracic chamber. In the thoracic chamber, at the level of fifth thoracic vertebrae. So at the level of fifth thoracic vertebrae, it divides into two chamber. It divides into two branches. This is the trachea. It divides into two branches where at the level of fifth thoracic vertebrae. So in this region it divides into two branches like this. It divides into two branches. Next, these two branches they enters into their corresponding lungs. So now we will discuss about the branches of these bronchi and bronchioles. So here each branch is called bronchi. So next these bronchi enters into the lungs. Next it furtherly divides into many branches to form a complete tree-like structure. So that is called pulmonary tree. So pulmonary tree. So we will discuss about these branches. So first of all the bronchi, these two branches are called bronchi. Next these bronchi furtherly divides to form primary bronchi. They are called primary bronchi. Then primary bronchi divides into secondary bronchi. Secondary divides into tertiary bronchi. Then tertiary bronchi further divides. They are small tubule-like structure from here onwards. These are called primary bronchioles. Primary bronchioles are also furtherly divides to form secondary bronchioles. Then secondary bronchioles divides to form tertiary bronchioles. Tertiary bronchioles divides to form terminal bronchioles. Then terminal bronchioles divides respiratory duct. Then respiratory ducts to form many branches. They are called alveolar duct. So these alveolar ducts they opens into the sac-like structure. This sac is called alveolar sac. So in the alveolar sacs, some sac-like structures are called alveoli. So this complete branching of the bronchi and bronchioles. So first previous branches are called bronchi. Next branches are called bronchioles, then respiratory ducts, alveolar ducts, next alveoli. So this is about bronchi and bronchioles. Next here, up to bronchioles, the C-shaped rings are present. Tertiary, up to tertiary bronchi and anterior parts of primary bronchioles, or up to tertiary bronchi, the C-shaped rings are present. C-shaped cartilaginous rings are present. Cartilaginous rings are present. Okay, so this is about bronchi and bronchioles. Branches of the bronchi and bronchioles, they forms the a tree-like structure in the lungs. They are called pulmonary tree. Next, lungs. Lungs, one pair of lungs are present in the thoracic chamber. Thoracic cavity. In the thoracic cavity, in the thoracic region, one pair of lungs are present. So these one pair of lungs are present. Next, right hand. This is the right one. This is the left one. So they are present. They are tightly packed in the thoracic cavity. So thoracic cavity is made up of dorsal side. In dorsal side, vertebral column is present. Vertebral column. Next, in the ventral side, sternum is present. Sternum. Next, lateral side, ribs are present, and down, diaphragm is present. Diaphragm here, down diaphragm is present. So these parts, these are all completely forms a cavity like structure. That cavity is called thoracic cavity. So in this thoracic cavity, the lungs are protected in the thoracic cavity, and also this is helps in the respiration process also. So lungs are present in the thoracic cavity. Next, one pair of lungs are present, right lung and left lung. Next, right lung divides into 3 lobes. The left lung is divides into only 2 lobes. First one, superior lung, superior lobe, median lobe. This one is inferior lobe. The right lung divides into 3 lobes. Superior lobe, median lobe and inferior lobe. Left one divides into only 2 lobes. This one is anterior and posterior, or inferior or superior. We can write superior or inferior. This one superior or inferior. So 2 lobes are present. Next, in the left lung, a depression is present. So this depression is called cardiac notch. A depression in the left lung, some depression is present. That depression is called cardiac notch. Here heart is located here. Next, lungs are covered by double layered membrane. 2-layer membrane is called pleura. Pleura or pleural membrane. So lungs, completely the lungs covered by 2-layer membrane. Total lungs, 2 lungs covered by 2-layer membrane. This 2-layer membrane is called pleura or pleural membrane. In between these 2 layers, the fluid is present. That fluid is called pleural fluid. So this fluid prevents the external shocks. It prevents the external shocks, and also it acts as a lubricant. And prevents the external shocks. Okay, so this is about lungs. Okay, so lungs located in the thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity made up of these parts: vertebral column, sternum, ribs and diaphragm. Next, the lungs, right lung divides into 3 parts, left lung divides into 2 parts. Right lung, superior part, median lobe, inferior lobe. Left one, superior lobe and inferior lobe. Left lung has cardiac notch. Next, each lungs covered by two layered membrane is called pleural membrane or pleura. So this pleura, in between two layers fluid is present. That fluid is called pleural fluid. It helps to prevent external shocks, and also it acts as a lubricant.